Guys, my friend's house caught on fire right now. My friend Nash caught his house caught on fire. Look.
Thick smoke billowed from the Olympic
Oh
Tower
my
3
god.
building.
Bro, that's my friend's house, bro.
Occupants
On the
were seen
news.
leaving the condominium.
Oh my god, wait.
No
Bro,
casualties or injuries were reported.
My
An
friend's in the
investigation is underway to
hospital.
establish the cause of the
Oh
blaze.
my god.
The incident was first reported as a
I don't
rubbish
know what
fire
to do.
before it escalated.
I don't know what to do. Okay, let's see the other one. Eastwood Fire.
Isang kondominyo ang nasunog sa
Lippic. My friend has a 5-point of family, bro. Wait, they posted this 10 days ago. Wait, this one says 2 weeks ago. Bro, ma, this one Manila TV says 2 weeks ago. The other one says 10 days ago.
Yeah.
What do you mean? Find more. No. Not this. Bro, why the food? Bro. It's all on the news, bro. This was 1 week ago.
Finally,
This was
you
literally
can see what each
1 week
age group
or
looks like.
what a
Download
week
and
ago, I'm
track
not
At
sure.
this point, we'll be talking to a resident of Olympic Heights to tell us more about
Good evening and thank you.
of the residents who are now confined in a
my.
hospital. Now, I'd like to
Oh
ask
my
before we go to
God.
the fire itself, may fire insurance po ba ang inyong asosasyon?
Well, ano po,
Oh my
as
God.
a resident, hindi rin kami masyadong privy sa ganyan.
Oh
But
my
I would
god.
assume meron sila dapat. And from what I've heard, yung unit owners of the individual unit.
Hindi nyo po nakikita.
So, a big person po sa resident here to share at least
Bro.
our point of view and sa mga nakausap
Ma,
namin.
that was on June 8th, 2026. That was on June 8th.
The ghost? The fire?
Yeah. It was on June 8th, 2026. So can we visit them?
Maybe they're already back to their house.
Once we get back to school, I'm gonna ask them if they're okay.
So on that day
Bro.
around 7 a.m., we woke up to the smell of smoke. Not any sound or alarms. And
Oh my god, bro.
akala namin we left a charger or any appliance, so chinek namin. Groggy pa from sleep when we opened our door to the living room, puno na siya ng smoke. So we started looking around. Pagbukas ng front door, there was a wall of black smoke na pumasok into our unit, which immediately you can feel it in your eyes na mahapdi, hindi mo mabuksan yung mata mo. Pumasok siya sa nose and throat namin na you can't even speak.
What?
So, nagbukas
Wow,
kami ng
ganun po?
bintana.
Ganun po yung
Yes.
epekto. You cannot speak agad.
Yes.
Kahit na sandali. I'm sure sandali nyo lang binuksan ang pintuan.
Yes po. Siguro 2 seconds maximum kasi nakakatakot po
What?
pag may black
I
smoke
under-
pumasok, sinarado
I
namin
understand
agad.
what they're saying, so
We tried
if
to
you
open
need
more
help,
windows,
just see the
open
part
the
2.
electric fans, para lang lumabas. And nagkulong kami sa master's bedroom para at least may protection. We brought in our pets doon. And same din yung experience ng...
Bro, why are
Sure,
you
may
playing
mga
the video?
nagsasabi, di ba't di kayo bumaba ng fire escape? And some of the people nakababa po, especially sa lower floors. Kami, we are on the 24th floor,
Oh
but
my.
also...
24th? My friend was on the Mama, I remember you said that my friend was on the 22th floor?
22nd.
Oh, 22nd?
Yeah.
Bro, I saw on the news the other people were on the 24th floor. That's scary, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We were worried na yung kung ganun po yung effect ng smoke in 2 seconds.
Yes, that is my friend's house.
Paano po kung nag-pass out kami sa fire escape? Or
Oh, no.
madulas kami, wala kami makita. Kasi doon sa group chat nakikita namin, pati daw fire escape, puno-puno ng smoke, hindi sila makalabas.
So, in the end, parang tama yung decision nyo to just stay put. Kung hindi, baka
Yes.
nasa ospital kayo ngayon.
Yes po. Tinry lang namin as much as possible na takban ng wet towels, yung door gaps, magtakip ng wet clothing para lang hindi malanghap lahat ng usok. Pero even then, madami kami nalanghap in that 4-5 hours there.
Actually, yung mga na-hospital, Cess and Sir Dwight, mga nagstay lang din sila sa unit, pero yun nga, because of the long hours na nagstay sila doon, yun yung dahilan kaya sila na-hospitalize. Pero Sir Dwight, I think another...
Mommy, I know why my friend got put in the hospital. They were staying in their room for like hours,
Yeah.
not going out. That's how you get in the hospital, right, Mommy?
Yeah.
reason din is yung smell, 'di ba?
Oh my
Yung
God.
amoy ng smoke, kaya nahihirapan talaga din kayo in just 2 seconds na sinasabi mo kanina. Pero ngayon naglabas ko ng statement yung management, yung administration. What's your response
Yes.
to that, sir? I think ngayon lang sila nag-release ng ganitong klaseng message to the residents.
Correct. So, actually, yan po yung, when I was talking to the other residents affected, ang gusto lang sana namin is communication lang po muna. This is a good first step. Medyo delayed po. Lampas na ng 1 linggo. May mga neighbors
Oh my
kami na
God.
nasa 2 million pesos na po yung hospital
2 million
bills. And
dollars.
halos wala
No,
kaming
2
narinig
million
na communication
pesos.
aside from
Well, that's
nililinis po yung
expensive.
condominium.
One of my friends, like Nash, who I was talking to that, he lived there, and her little sister's in the ICU. Bro.
Hindi po siya ideal yung sinabi nila, pero
June
again, for us,
28th,
first step po siya.
Sunday,
Kung
2
meron po
p.m.
tayong
Olympic
matulungan,
Heights
kahit
Clubhouse
hindi lahat,
area
Then,
garden level due to ventilation limit and attached will be limit to first 100 owners and teens. Town Tower of 3 once responded per unit.
na po matulungan nila, especially yung mga hardest hit.
Ano pinrovide sa inyo at least pinaka-units po ninyo?
Wala pong provide. Ang nakita lang namin na closest to this is may discount po sa nearby Richmond Hotel. Ang mga temporary living assistance po actually galing sa Eastwood community. Hindi ako makapagsalita for everyone, pero wala kaming natanggap na gano'n.
Sa tingin niyo po, may pananagutan ba ang mga nasa board na
Oh, I have an ad. Oh my god.
Meron po silang
I'll just end this
accountability.
for today, guys.
Sila
Let's
po
do part
yung
2. Bye.
interest